Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this page isn't available at the moment on Messenger and iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open any page, you see a message the page isn't available right now. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it's nothing else, it's just a network issue. Not to fix that, you just have to fix your network. Not to that, you just have to go back and you have to scroll on your control center and you have to make sure that you're connecting to a stable and a strongest network connection using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. So after that, disable your airplane mode, go back, and you just have to open your settings app here, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If your VPN is connected, you just have to try to disconnect with that. And once you have disconnected your VPN, you just have to go back from here and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, you have to open your app store here, go for search, and you have to search for Messenger. Just try to update your Messenger app. You have to also try to update your Facebook app. After doing that, go back. You have to retry if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open the settings again, go for general again, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any type of your data. So you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. If your issue is still not fixed, so it might be your app issue. So you have to try to open your settings app here, go for general here, go for iPhone storage, and here you have to select the app in which you're facing the issue. If you're facing the issue in your Facebook app, you have to open your Facebook app, try to offload app, or if you're facing the issue on your Messenger app, so go for Messenger app here, and here you have to try to offload your app. After offloading, tap on reinstall option and the app will be reinstalled on your iPhone. It will not delete any type of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed. It will fix if there will be any bug or any malware into your Facebook or Messenger app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.